I mean, what also, as a non-founder, you've got to be super cognizant about is a lot of these people have put their whole lives on hold, and every fiber of their, and therefore they are going to be super sensitive to any nuance. And fun enough, that's why um, some of the people who are in my role just do the introduction, and then they let the founder get on with it. And I always try and go on those calls with the founder, because sometimes the founder is so busy answering the question that they want to answer, rather than the question that's potentially being posed by the investor. And as to your point about it's like anything in life. Founders are made of all sorts, and so therefore there are some. It's a special kind of person that can go and start a company and risk all to go and do it, and therefore sometimes you can get more quirky ones than others.